And we're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. I'm C with Atlantic Knife, and today we're going to do the Bastion Persuader. Been waiting to do this one for quite a while. This knife is a titanium handle knife with D2 steel, and it's under $100. You won't find that too often. So let's get started. First glance, we can tell that it is a reversible pocket clip, tip-up carry. It is a frame lock. We like the distinctiveness of the blade. It is a flipper that you can easily do with one hand. Very smooth, snaps open. Overall length is 8.25 inches. The blade length is 3.5 inches with 3.25 inches of cutting area. Blade width is 1 inch. The handle is at 4.75 inches. Ceramic ball bearing for the pivot. Smooth pivot cap. The weight of this knife is 5.5 ounces. It utilizes a backspacer. Has a lanyard hole, if you're into using lanyard holes. And a distinctive cut in several areas to the blade, sloping it out down toward the grind. This knife has nice aesthetics. And let's see how this satin blade D2 cuts. We'll start off here with a little bit of jute, which we know it's going to cut very easily. Got some paracord. As you can see, it cut through there. Didn't have, I don't see any fraying on that at all. We'll try it again with a pullback cut. As always, you get a little bit of fraying on a pullback cut. Grab some cardboard here. Whoops. As you can see, it has a thicker blade spine, so it kind of bullies its way through the cardboard. It is extremely sharp. It's just not going to have that pinpoint accuracy that you get with a thinner blade. Let me grab another piece real quick. I'd like to see how it does on stabbing cuts. Well, we got a little bit of tape back there, so I'll push it a little bit harder. As you can see, it cuts a nice straight line. Not bad. Tears a little bit there when you get down towards the edge. Other than that, does a nice job. Alright, so we have the Bastion Persuader. Very, I would say it's going to be a very dependable and tough knife. This is one of those titanium knives at under $100 that I wouldn't mind using every day as a everyday carry, and not worrying about too much what I make it look like over time. I'd like to see how this handle wears over time. So once again, titanium handle, D2 steel blade, frame lock, flipper with flipper tab. 5.5 ounces overall. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you like our post and follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel and watch our video content. We do 1 minute, 5 minute, and weekly show. On that note, this is the Bastion Persuader, and I just saw Just Jewel, my sidekick, walk by. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.